Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everybody's doing all right. Just want to make a little video here. I'm down here in Lake Charles. I'm heading to Sea Rim State Park, about 80 miles away from here, and there's just so much devastation and destruction. Businesses closed. They have all of their contents outside. Drywall, insulation. You can see over here there's dumpsters, porta johns everywhere. So I figure I'll just flip the camera around here, kind of drive around a little bit. There's debris all over the place. A lot of blue tarps still, so maybe you don't see it on the news, but doesn't mean it's not happening. So we'll see here. So it was a pretty good couple days there in New Orleans, but I will say it's just amazing. You can't get a bottle of water. We had issues with hot water for a while. They told us it was not safe to go outside at night because of the hurricane has displaced a bunch of people, and so we'll just turn around here. So that's kind of a little bit crazy. So we didn't really see anything, but people did say that there were some issues. I'll just turn around here. We'll head down the main street there. I think gas might be an issue, getting gas. I saw a couple gas stations, but they're all damaged or destroyed, and have some type of issue. So really sad that there's this much devastation down here. So let's see if I can turn left here. I can see a lot of it's a lot of damage, right? So a lot of signs missing. Noticed too on the interstate there was just a lot of insulation and tin roof material, and so it's going to take them a long time to clean it up and get to a place that's better than what it was. You can see over here. I can see just on the other side. So here's a Valero gas station. It's not open. Looks like they took the pumps out of it there. There's a Tire Choice place coming up here. You can see it's just completely boarded up there. There's another surgery center boarded up. Half of its roof is missing. So kind of give you guys an idea of how things are down here, right? So there's another we'll just drive down a little bit more. You can see just on the other side of this intersection over there too. It's just right here, it's closed off, damaged. So just go down here a ways and we'll wrap it up, and then head toward the state park for the evening. People rebuilding. Here's an Amoco station. You just see the whole front of it. It's just completely caved in. There's some heavy equipment digging up some items. So I guess the moral is, if you think you have it bad, somebody may have it worse than you. So always keep that in mind. I'm going to find a street to pull off here into. It's another building. There's another sign blown over. Oh, we'll pull down in here. So I'll leave it there for today. I gotta get moving here. So I picked up some croissants there at the La Boulangerie in New Orleans. Picked up some vanilla porter here, maybe a little bit dinner later on, and some andouille sausage when I get set up. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to donate to the beer fund, just reach out and I'll let you know how you can do that. If you got any questions, comments, feel free to reach out, and please share these videos. Subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And thanks. Have a great day.